Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D. I know it's been a while, but I'm here with a new video for you guys today. So, today I'm going to be talking to you about the Flashforge Creator Pro, and this is the newer model, but ultimately it's basically the same thing. So anyways, I just wanted to let you know how these printers have been working after the 2.5 years that I've owned. This I've owned for around 2.5 years now, I think. This I've owned for like maybe a year and a half. But I wanted to give you my thoughts on both of these printers. So after 2.5 years, honestly, this has been working like a charm. I'm used to having to repair it, but that's with all 3D printers. It works perfectly. I've had like zero problems. Super sturdy printer. This one I think is definitely better than the newer version, just because you can there are these little holes in the side, so you can put these little cubbies here. Also, I don't know. I like this one better. It looks more like DIY and I don't know. I like the style of this. This one looks more clean, I guess. I have had some issues with this one. It is jammed right now. You can see there's some filament stuck in there. I'm gonna fix it at some point. But this printer is the best printer on the planet. It's my favorite 3D printer. It works perfectly. It's easy to repair. They're 2 extruders. You can print any material you want. Heated bed. It just is fantastic, and I love it so much. It's a perfect printer. You can see all the things that I've printed with my printers. These are mostly from the Flashforge, but I've just created so many awesome things with it, and it's amazing. You can make so much cool stuff. This is metal. That's copper fill that I polished. I have some videos on that. Here's some more metal prints that I have. But the quality is insane. Some of these were printed on, I think that was the printer bot. That was a printer bot. Don't know what I printed that on. This was not even on one of my printers. This was at a school printer or something. Same with that one. It's crazy. I have some really cool prints up here. Some of my projects are up here. This is the backup battery I did. That's a clock. This clock has been on for the past year and a half, I think, or maybe a year, but it's just been running non-stop. I have one of my earlier videos right here, the 3D printed virtual reality headset. Same with that. This is one of my newer videos, though. Why is that falling? And then we have those candy machines I designed. There's some Ninja Flex prints up here. So you can print so many different materials. This is protopasta carbon fiber and stainless steel, or the magnetic iron. There's copper fill, bronze fill, like I mentioned before. The protopasta high temp coffee filament. And then some Hatchbox. That's PET G. That's PET G combined with carbon fiber, I think. And I mean, it's amazing. This printer has just served me so well. Pardon my dog, he's barking. Sorry about that. But I just have no real words to explain the quality of this printer. It's just provided me with so many different opportunities. It is a workhorse. It doesn't break, and when it does break, it's easy to fix. And also, usually, it hasn't caused me any large problems. Usually when it breaks, it's just a minor thing, like a filament jam, thermocoupler breaks maybe, but they're easy fixes, and it's my favorite printer on the planet, like I said before. I highly recommend these printers. They're insane. The price it's a good price for the printer. The quality is amazing, and I'm very happy with these machines after 2 years of owning them. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like down below. If you disliked the video, leave a dislike. If you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.